Fungus gnats are annoying houseplant pests. The little gnats fly around plants, laying eggs in the soil that hatch into destructive, root-eating, maggot-like larvae that damage plants. They can even carry diseases that cause root rot. Thankfully, they can be easily managed organically. Fungus gnats come in from the outside through open windows or doors. They can lay eggs in torn potting soil packages or hitchhike on any new potted plants that you bring into the home. Fungus gnat larvae feed on plant roots and algae only in the first 1 to 1.5 inches of surface soil, so this is your target management area. They breed quickly, going from eggs to adults in about a month. A female can lay up to 300 whitish eggs in clusters of 20 to 30 on moist, organic-rich soil. Fungus gnats thrive in potted plant soil that is warm, moist, and high in organic matter. Seedling roots are a favorite for their larvae to nibble on. Fungus gnats dislike soils that are dry, fast-draining, with mineral additives like perlite, vermiculite, and sand, and have mineral soil covers like coarse sand, diatomaceous earth, or fine pebbles. Here are 6 steps for ridding your plants of fungus gnats organically. Repot badly infested plants in fresh mix. Black Gold all-purpose potting mix and Black Gold cactus mix are both good, fast-draining choices. Cover soil surfaces with at least 1 inch of inorganic soil cover, like food-grade diatomaceous earth, coarse sand, or fine pebbles. Bottom water all of your plants to keep soil surfaces dry and encourage deep rooting. Allow plants to dry somewhat between watering, and place yellow sticky traps around your plants to trap adult gnats and determine population levels. If fungus gnats persist, spray soil surfaces with an OMRI-listed Pyrethrins spray, and don't forget to follow manufacturer's recommendations. Follow these steps and your houseplants will quickly be gnat-free. Happy gardening!